there, welcome to my studio. Today I want to give you a pointer. I want to give you some tips on how to mix your pouring mediums. You know, people will tell you a ratio, use this ratio, and what you can do. So today I am doing a collaboration with Jeszeck. We've been friends for many years, even before I started to do acrylic pouring. In fact, I was the one that introduced her to acrylic pouring. And today we decided that I'm going to select a video of Christine and I'm going to use her colors. And she's going to select one of my videos and use my colors. And then we're going to have a premiere video. I have never done that before, but what you do is the video will be pre-recorded, but we are going to be live to comment on that video. So the premiere video is going to be on June 18 at 5 p.m. starting Christine and following by me. So we both are going to be live there to talk to you, to chat with you. You can ask us questions and give us ideas. We're going to be there. Please come and sit and chat with us on June 18 at 5 p.m. So this is my pointer for you. You must be asking, what is she doing in there? Okay, so Christine uses 3 parts of Elmer's, 2 parts of Liquitex Pouring Medium, and 1 part of water. That means those are 6 parts. So the whole is 6 parts. So I have this container that has 32 ounces. But I need a number that can be multiplied by 6. You know, it can be divided by 6 and have, you know, equal amounts. And 30 is a good number to be divided by 6. So what I did is, instead of using 32, I'm going to fill in 30 ounces. So glue is 3 parts of 6. 3 parts of 6. That is the fraction of the glue. So I multiply 30 ounces times 3 divided by 6, and that gives me 15 ounces. I do the same for the others. Liquitex will be 30 ounces times 2 divided by 6, 10. Water, 30 ounces times 1 divided by 6, 5. And you can check this formula because water is 1 part. So Liquitex is 2 parts, so 5 times 2 is 10. And Elmer's is 3 parts, so 3 parts times 3, 5 times 3 is 15. So it is a good formula. So that is what you're going to put in the container. So depends on the size of your container and how much you have. You put that amount in here and then you multiply by the fraction. And it also depends on what is the formula that the teacher or the YouTuber give you, the artist. So you add all the parts, so you know the whole will be on the bottom and the part will be on the top. So 3 over the top, or the whole, which is 6. I hope you understand my formula and I hope it helps you. So let's get started using Christine colors and Christine Pouring Medium. And the colors that she has today from video 189 are metallic cobalt blue. It's a gorgeous color. She has violet. She has green yellow. I love that color too, green yellow. And she is using Masters Olympic Gold. But I'm going to replace it with Old Gold of Artist Loft. And then she's using Cerulean Blue. And to Cerulean Blue, she added a little bit of the Soho Manganese Blue. I didn't have the Soho Manganese Blue, so I added a little bit of the Manganese Blue from Liquitex. And the last color is the previous mixture plus water, frost white. I wanted to make it easier for you, so instead of that, I put light blue. So this is what I'm going to be using, and her pouring medium. So let's see what I can do. I think it is so hot today here in Florida. I have the air conditioning full power and it's still so hot, and I think is drying the water out of my paints, and we'll see what's gonna happen. So, and I put silicone on each of the colors except for the gold or the white. Okay, and I'm gonna do it different. I put them in the order in there that Christine has, but I changed it a little bit, and I'm gonna change I'm gonna change also. I'm gonna put a tiny bit more of white of what she added, because I did it before and it turned too dark. So we are going to flip these two cups. My hands are still not too strong, so bear with me. Maybe the first one I should do it this way. Maybe this is too much paint for this. We'll see. Okay, let's wait a tiny bit in there. And in the meantime, I want to talk to you about Christine. She is a wonderful artist. She does the most amazing enhancements on pours. You have to go and visit her website. I'm going to put her website right here, and visit her website and see her gorgeous paintings. And she is a wonderful person too. I'm so glad to have her as my friend. So I really love those colors, the purple with the green. I love that. So bad it escaped. Okay, so I'm going to open one at a time this way. And the other one the other way. Oh my goodness, the colors are so beautiful. I hope this is pretty. Let's use the big torch. Christine recipe is super good. So if you do it, don't mix it in one of these bottles. Don't do it like that, like I did, because that's what happens. If you do it, let's put something in there. If you do it, go do it in a separate container and then put it in there. That's only for helping the paint move that way. Okay. Tell you the truth, there's a lot of paint still in the canvas, but I am liking what I see. I'm gonna move it to this side. Making a mess in here. It's a section that I added that is still in there, but I like it. I'm just gonna torch it with the smaller torch this time. What I don't like is that. Should I mess with it? Those of you that are subscribed to my channel and have watched my videos, you know that I cannot leave things alone, but I probably will. We'll see. Yeah, you know me. I'm gonna torch first in here with the small torch. I'm gonna torch this area in here. Let's torch that area and that area. Okay, should I swipe that in there? Because it is so pretty. That is like, it is messing it up. Okay, so let's start removing the excess from the bottom so that it stop escaping. It's taking things, pretty things from the bottom. Let's see. Okay, what should I do? It doesn't match the rest. So I am going to mess with it. Of course. Of course. Oh no. You guys are telling me, no, don't do it. Don't do it. Maybe I should do it. Let's see. Maybe I'm just trying to bring the cells that are trying to come to the top. Let's see if I am able to do that at least. So I'm just removing the small layer of paint that is on top of that cell that is trying to come to the top, and just so that it has a little bit more color. The cells are there. I'm just removing a tiny layer of paint that is on top of them. I can swipe it. Let's see. Why did I touch it? Why? I think I made to make it worse. Of course, you know me. Okay, I like it better. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it like this, and I'm just gonna go and take a photo for you. Okay, now I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave it alone. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you for joining me, and please go subscribe to Christine. And please keep subscribe here. Okay, have a wonderful day. Bye bye.